We'll guide you through how to activate iMessage on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. iMessage is Apple's messaging service. It's really convenient because with it, you can then go and send messages essentially over Wi-Fi and mobile data. You don't need to go and have a connection to the SMS network or mobile network. It only works between other Apple devices, for example, an iPhone to an iPhone to an iPad, an iPhone to a Mac, or vice versa. So we can go and activate this and go and start using it. Because at the moment, if I go and open up the Messages app, I know for sure this person here has got an iPhone because you can see before I sent blue messages, but right now when I try and send it, they're going to send as green. So what we need to do is go and make sure that iMessage is activated. So to go and do this, you need to come out of your Messages app like so and go and open up your settings. Now in settings, you want to scroll all the way down, go and find the option for apps and you can go and tap there. Then in apps, you need to go and scroll down. And you need to go and find M because this is alphabetical. So we can go and find M for messages. As you can see here it is. And then what you need to do is go and tap into it like so. And what you need to do is go down and you'll go and find the option for iMessage. It says iMessage uses wireless data to send messages between Apple devices. So then what you can do is go and switch it on. You'll then need to go and activate. As you can see, it's now waiting for activation. Just be patient, it shouldn't take too long. And there we have it. What you can do here is go and press send and receive, and you can go and use different emails and different numbers and choose which numbers and emails you want to go and use there. So you tap there, I don't change it, but by default, it'll be using your mobile number. Then we can come out of here and you can come back to messages. And now if I try and send it, you can see it's blue and it's going to be an iMessage. As I said, they're only going to be blue if you're sending a message to another Apple device. If you're trying to message a Android, let's say, it's going to go and send as a green SMS text message. So that's it. We've now successfully activated and you can use iMessage. If you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful guides. We've got loads more like this on the channel and loads more to come as well.